Hey there, today we're going to take a look at how to play Cheap Sunglasses by ZZ Top. Here we go. So the riff starts like this. It's a little F sharp minor chord, the D, G, and B strings. It's D4, G2, and B2. I'm going to slide that one fret higher to G minor and then kill it like that. B flat, then F, so it's the first fret of A, rolling into the first fret of low E. Daddle. It's quick, it's like. The next thing is this G power chord. It's low E3, A5, and D5. And they're staccato, so you have to play them very quickly. It's like stop sign. You have to let go of the pressure in between the chords. The power chords, I should say. So it's down, down. A chick on the way down. I'm going to grab this B flat power chord, and then C on the third fret. So it's first fret to third fret. I'm using my little finger. It's just faster because this song goes by so fast. Little finger is easier there. So it's chick on the way down, and then 3 strings on the way up like this. And then down through C, so it's like. So it goes like this. Again. I'll do that very slowly. That's a hard riff, tough to play. Take your time with it. And then the chorus riff goes like this. So that's G5 to F5 to G5. And then B flat to C to B flat. So it's like, again, I'm using my pinky because it's such a fast moving song. My little finger is able to get there much more quickly and efficiently than the third finger to play these. It's okay to do that sometimes. So we have. Now the picking here is tricky also. There's some downs and some ups happening and some chickas as well. So it's like, that was down, up, down, down, chick, and then up through B flat. That's down, down. Chick-gon, gon, gon, da 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 da, chick, gon, da da, da 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 da. The next little riff is played by electric piano, but we're going to do it on the guitar. I'm using my fingers to pull the strings like this. Doing a double stop, sort of like your smoke on the water notes. I'm doing this. If you're enjoying today's lesson on how to play cheap sunglasses, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. And in the comment section down below, you'll find links from our websites and other guitar resources. So that's D and G strings on the 5th fret twice. And then the A and the D string on the 5th fret. A and the D string on the 3rd fret. And then the D and the G string on the 5th fret. The D and the G string on the 3rd fret. So it's a little box. So it's like, doesn't sound right unless you use your fingers. And you have to kind of, again, make it staccato, kind of bouncing like. So everything together so far is like this. It just slides it like that, and then the chorus. This is, and then the second verse. And then the riff again. Now comes the guitar solo. So we're playing C minor 7 like this, but what he's doing, he's hammering on from the 9 of the chord to the 3rd of the chord like this. Again, this is played with electric piano, but we can do it on the guitar by going. So it's like a hammer pull off. So it's like down on. I'll do that slowly. Down, chicka-de-gunk, hammer, block it, gunk. Those are all a syncopation with the upbeat there. Chicka-de-ga. Chicka, up, pull off. Chicka, up, pull off. Does that 4 times, then his G minor 7 chord could be next. It does this for 2 measures. Back to C sharp minor 7 again with a 9 in there. There goes to D minor 7 next. 2, 3, 4 to D. Kind of slick there. It's going to a D minor chord. 2, 3, 4, and then he changes the 3rd from D minor to D major, and then back into the riff. This time the electric piano riff changes a little bit. It goes like this. Now the last verse. Last chorus. And then the last electric piano part, it's then there's this really cool breakdown section at the end with the last guitar solo. All that is F to G, F to G again, F to G again, F, G, B flat, G, F, G. So it's a little box. To keep time, you might want to do some chickas there too, like. And that part fades out until the end of the song. For the guitar solo, we can play C minor pentatonic over the C minor chords, G minor pentatonic over the G minor chords, switch to D minor pentatonic, and then D major pentatonic over the last 2 measures. It's important to learn how to overlap your pentatonic scales. So C minor will be right here. G minor you might do right here. Back to C minor again. D minor's right here. D major's right here. We're going to play G minor pentatonic over this riff to finish out the song. Well, that was a lot of fun. What a killer song. We'll see you at the next lesson.